Times are changing when it comes to how people are consuming media. No matter how a household chooses to consume entertainment and news media, it is a great idea to have an HD TV antenna at the ready. The HD 2805 antenna is an incredible antenna for uninterrupted and high-definition television. This antenna is priced far below the ridiculously inflated cable subscription prices. This antenna is capable of capturing signals from up to 150 miles away. It gives access to many great channels, both local and nationwide, for free. Perfect for any homes with broadcast stations that are located at a distance. Here's what you'll find inside the box. The main antenna unit, 360-degree motor, the antenna mount, UL listed control box power supply, remote control, a control box, and a set of instructions. The HD 2805's rotational motor allows users to get the most out of its amplified directional signal receptors. Multiple TV sets can be supported by this one antenna with the use of a splitter. The higher the antenna is installed, the more channels will be available. The antenna can be adjusted freely with its 360-degree rotation. Maximize the HD channels you have available and get the best in amplified directional antennas with the HD 2805.